Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to power off and power on the Oppo A17. So let's do it. So here is my phone, and if you want to power off, it's not so hard. You need to push and hold volume up and power button like this. Okay, and now here we have two options. If you move up, we'll restart the phone, and if you will move down, the phone will be turned off. And now let's move it down like this, and now my phone will turn off. Okay, and now to power on the phone, it's more easy. You need to push only the power button, and let's do it. Keep pushing. And now you need to wait for a few seconds until your phone will be powered on. So this was my short tutorial. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.